Hi, I'm Peter Kalmstrom of kalmstrom.com Business Solutions. In this demonstration, I will show you how to create a flow that sends messages using Skype for Business to the person who's been assigned a new ticket in my ticketing system here, which is part of my IT Office 365 group. So let's do that. As you see, I have the Office 365 group, I have the list. I also have another account that I'm going to be using to send these messages. So it's the IT Contoso account, and that's where I'm going to create my flow. So let's go into Flow, Microsoft.com, and start creating this flow. I'll click on My Flows and create from blank. Of course, one of the major benefits here of using flows instead of using workflows, either 2010 or 2013 workflows, is that this could not be done with workflows, or it could be done, but it would take a huge amount of effort. As you'll see, I'll do this in Flow now in a few minutes. So it's going to be much simpler, because Flow is designed to work with the entire cloud, with everything out there, basically. So, supposed to reach out to other information or other services, which is exactly what we're doing here. So let's do a SharePoint trigger when an item is created. And we're going to pick the site address, and now it knows that I'm working on this site. If it hadn't, then I would have to enter that as a custom value. And that's exactly what I have to do for the list name, because the tickets list is not one of those that Flow picks up on for some reason. So that's my trigger when an item is created. The next step here is to add an action. And that's going to be a Skype action to send an IM, an instant message. So let's find that. Skype for Business is there. And as you see, I have two actions there: to create an online meeting and send an instant message. And that's the one we want, send an instant message. We have three fields here. We have the to field, we have the message field, and we have the subject field. The subject field in an IM is rather rarely used, so I'm going to ignore that for now. First, of course, I'll address the IM, and that's going to be assigned to email. As you see, it says plain text message to send there. You can put URLs there, and the Skype for Business client will pick that up and make them clickable. First of all, let's just send the information here. New ticket assigned, and then we'll give the name of the task. Task name, I'll just put that in there. And then we can, of course, put the actual description and the categorization and the priority and all those things in there. But I just want to show you the basics here. So let's just do the link, and there you have it. So now the flow is done. So let's just save this first, give it a better name, send IM to assigned, and then we're going to test this. All right, I'll perform the trigger action, save and test. And then I'll log back into Edge there, create a new task where I'm logged in as myself. Test ticket 2. It's my very innovative name for that. And I'm going to assign that to myself. All right, and let's just save this now. On Edit here, save. And as you see, within a few seconds, I will get an IM message from IT Contoso, test ticket 2, which is the subject line or the task name, of course, and here is the link directly to the ticket, so I can start working with it. If I go back to Chrome here and see the run history, for some reason it doesn't show this flow as completed there, but if I go back to my flows, just leave the page there, you'll see that it shows up as completed with the green succeeded in the run history there, so everything works fine. And as you see, we have these two connections here, SharePoint and Skype for Business, and everything is green, working well as it should. All right, so that concludes my demo. I have a flow that sends IMs to the assigned person of a newly created ticket in a SharePoint list. Thank you for watching this demonstration.